Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the important topic in MS Word tutorial, that is mail merge. Mail merge is one of the very important topic that everyone need to understand about this. What is mail merge? Mail merge is nothing but there is a sample template to be used by multiple recipients. Suppose you have some sales order, right? The sales order, you wanted to send an acknowledgement to each and every recipients, right? Suppose you got an order, suppose you are running some e-commerce business or some any of the business, and you have around 1,000 plus uh, orders you have received on so and so day for the multiple products. So you wanted to send the receipts acknowledgement to that entire list. So how do we do that? Using help of mail merge. So what is a normal way of doing it? Just typing the acknowledgement and the sender name and the recipient name and everything, right? If it is like 5,000, how much time it will take? So many hours or sometimes days, right? So with this, it will take more time, more effort. Sometimes there are chances of making mistakes, and efficient will be less, and the accurate will be less, right? So with the help of a mail merge concept, you can save your time, you can save the effort, and it will be quicker, and it will be very easier, and it will be very accurate, and it's also very efficient way of using this. Now we'll straight away go and see how to add this. So first I would like to show you the data of some sample superstore sales order, where you can see following information, right? So with row ID, order date, the order priority, order quantity, sales, discount, ship mode, profit, unit price, customer name, province, regions, customer signature, and so on. So these are the fields that we have extracted, I mean that we have written for placing an order, right? So how many orders we have? So the total orders we have is 791, oh sorry, 8400 orders. That means more than 8,000 plus orders we have, right? So I need to send an acknowledgement to everyone with an hard copy, hard printed copy, saying like, thank you for sending the order, and yours so and so order is this, and the quantity is this, and what will be the shipping date, and what is the discount, or any of the information that you wanted to add in the acknowledgement, we can add this. So how to do that? Normally you go to the Word document and you type the messages, and you will be entering the order date, order quantity, and so it is, and you'll just print it per print. If it is 1 or 10, that's fine, but this is not the case. We have 8,000 plus orders, and we have to send an acknowledgement to 8,000 plus order for recipients, right? So that's the reason what we have to do is, so this spreadsheet, whatever the spreadsheet you have, that will be stored in the with an extension of .mdb. Okay, how to do that? Just you can click on save as, okay, and you can select any of the place. I'm going to save it as sample2, okay, sample2.mdb, okay, so that it will be converted into a database. Okay, save. So now I have saved this. Okay, now we'll go back to the Word document. Within the Word document, as you know, like you see the different options, right? So first what I'll do is I will try to write the name, okay, dear. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, I wanted to send the acknowledgement like, thank you for placing the order for product with order quantity and its unit price and so on, right? So first thing, what I would do is go to click on mailing. Within the mailing, you have different options here, right? So create start mailing page and everything. So with the latest versions from 2007, they have created a step-by-step procedure here. So like letters mailing, so you can follow this, or if you want to do it step by step, you can click on step by step mail mail wizard. Okay, I will first of all I will delete everything, okay, and first thing what we'll do is click on start mail merge step by step procedure, and you can, or else let me close this since I have opened the document. Let me open a new document. Okay, so click on mailing. What you want to send? Dear, who should come? Dear customer name, right? And select, click on this start step by step mailing. So you can see this option. Select the document type. So the document type is letter or email message or envelopes or labels or directory. The first one what we are trying is the letter. Okay, we need to send an acknowledgement. Then click on next. In the next you can see which document you want to use. I wanted to use the current document. Okay, select next and use an existing list. Yes, write your letter, or you can click on next your letter, and you can select the list from where we have that. Okay, and I have downloaded in this and sample to db. Okay, click on select that, and within this you have two different tabs in the spreadsheet. If you look at here, order, returns and user, right? Which table you want to use? I want to use the orders table. Click OK. Okay, and this is the list. So since we have many fields, right, it is taking some time, and you can see the field names here: the data source, province, regions, row ID, order ID, order date, order priority, order quantity, sales, discount, and you can see every field of that particular data. Okay, then click OK. Now we have to click on write your letter. Next is I need to write my letter, right? So dear. Okay, then click on next. I started writing the letter, right? So here you have address block, greeting line, electronic postage and more items. Address block is means you need to enter the address details of this. So address details I'll be telling in next session, or I'll tell you in the next session. So why? Because I don't have the address fields added into that block. So if we have the address fields, then we could have added it. Okay, for now, just assume that this is the simple letter that we wanted to send it to the send as an acknowledgement to the recipients. Okay, so dear, I wanted to add the customer name. So where do you see the customer name? Customer name is here, and insert it, then close. Then next step would be thank you for placing the order. Okay, what order? Okay, placing the order, order date, order on, order date. Okay, order date, order on, order date, for the product, for the product. What kind of product? We have the product name. Okay, with order quantity of, with order quantity of this, and with a unit price of, with a unit price of this, and shipping cost for the above order would be this, insert, and it will be shipped on so and so date, ship date, insert. Okay, that's it. So this is the message that we wanted to send it to each customer, right? So here comes to an end. So now whatever you're seeing only one page, right? So this is the template we have created, and we have mapped all the fields. The next, preview your letter. Once you click on preview your letter, so you can see directly it has pulled the name from that list, and thank you for placing the order. You got the date, and you got the product description, and you got the quantity here, and you got the unit price here, and you got the shipping cost for the above order would be this, and shipped on this so and so date. Okay, you got it right. So now since we have 8,000 plus customers, right, 8,000 plus letters we need to send, and it has to pull that list So next I'm going to complete the merge and preview with your letters. That's it. Then if you click on this start mail merge here, and you can click on, oh sorry, don't go there, just click on finish and merge. Okay, edit individual, within this finish and merge, edit individual documents. I can select that all, or else in the same way here itself edit individual all. Okay, now it will take some time since we have 8,000 plus orders and it is going to create that many orders. So now we'll see what happens. It's processing. So meanwhile I'll show you how many orders we have. So as I said, it's approximately 8,399. So if I exclude the first row, so it should be 8,399. That means 8,399 pages we should see in the Word doc. Okay, it is still processing. Okay, and it's depends on the system that you are using. Some system, if you are using an Intel i8 processor, or if you are having a 16 GB or 8 GB RAM, then it will take faster time. But since mine is like 4 GB RAM, it's taking a little bit time. Okay, so now I can see everything is mapped and still it's processing. So you can see the counter is getting updated here. Okay, you can see the in the status bar, so 590, 600. So it's writing all the templates into the pages. Still it's taking some time. Okay, meanwhile I can go by page and you can see the different name here. You can see the Barry French, you can see Claire Rosedal and Carlo, and like this you can see all different unique names that you have added. So how much time it could have been taken if you have to manually type everything like this, right? It could have taken more number of hours. Then what is the times we have spent for this? I hope like it's maximum 10 minutes that we have just worked on this, and you can use this template for every day. What is the task you have for the sales? Okay, and you can still see the pages are just printing down, and it would hardly take more 5 minutes I guess, so that it will be completed. So normally, so this is how we do a mail merging concept. So as I said in my PPT, so mail merge is the saves a time, saves your effort, it's quicker, it's easier, it's accurate, and it's efficient. I hope you all agree with this point, as I have shown you lively and how to create the mail merge. Okay, and if you want to print this, just directly go to Control P, print. If you want to print all the pages, you can print it. If you want to print the current page, you can go and send it for print. Okay, and finally, if you want to save it, you can save this to a specific location and with all the details. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a great pleasureful day or an evening. If you do like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more and more updates on MS Office different kinds of tutorials.